Hello techies, we are in lab 4.2.5 and we're going to configure automatic update. So you need to customize how Windows Update checks for and installs update on the IT admin desktop system. So in this lab, your task is to configure Windows Update to install update for other Microsoft products when Windows is updated, allow the installation of feature updates to be deferred for 60 days, allow quality updates to be deferred for 30 days, configure Windows to automatically download manufacturer's app and custom icons for devices. So let's just go ahead and start up lab immediately. Now, let's see what other tags we have here. Okay, so those are the tags that we have for this video. So let's start up. Now, in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video occasionally and walk at your own pace. I am trying to make this video as short as possible so that it won't be unnecessarily too long for you. So we're now inside the lab. So let's start up with the first task. We go to the Start menu, click on it, then we go to Settings. And then when you get the settings, you go to scroll down, we go to Update and Security. And inside Update and Security, we are going to click on see. Okay, so we're going to let's just scroll down and see the other options we have here. So we'll go to Advanced Options, and in Advanced Options, we are going to toggle this on, receive update from Microsoft, and let us scroll down and see what other options we have. And for this, this is gonna be for 60 days. So we just move this, slide this down till we 60 big. Okay, so that is 60 there. And the next one for quality updates, this is going to be for 30 days according to our tags on the left pane. So we just move this down, slide it down, and then select 30. All right, so we just go back. Then we are going to, let's close. Is there any other thing we need to do? Let's see. Let's see. Okay. All right, so let's just search for control panel, and under control panel we'll go to System and Security, and then we'll click on System, and let's see Advanced System Settings and Hardware and Device Settings. Yes, recommended. That is under Device Installation Settings. Then click Save Changes, and okay. All right, so let's go ahead and score lab. In case you find this video to be helpful to you in any way, remember to share on other platforms so that others can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel, comment your questions below. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.